The Colorado Supreme Court ruled on Tuesday that former President Donald Trump cannot be on the ballot in next year's state presidential election due to his involvement in the January 6, 2021 attack on the U.S. Capitol by his supporters. The 4-3 ruling from the Colorado Supreme Court makes Trump the first U.S. presidential candidate to be ruled ineligible for the presidency under a rarely used provision of the U.S. Constitution that prohibits officials from holding office if they have taken part in an insurrection or rebellion. The Colorado court said that the ruling is stayed until January 4th next year to allow for appeals. The former president says he plans to appeal the decision to the federal Supreme Court. Ira Spitzer gets us a detailed report from San Francisco.
In a 4-3 ruling, the Colorado Supreme Court decided that Donald Trump is ineligible to hold office again and ordered him removed from the state's upcoming primary ballot. However, the court stayed its ruling until at least January 4th to allow the former president time to appeal to the federal Supreme Court, which he plans to do. The Colorado court accepted the argument that Trump was disqualified as a result of Section 3 of the 14th Amendment to the U.S. Constitution. That forbids people who have engaged in insurrection against the Constitution after having taken an oath to support it from holding office. Trump supporters stormed the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021, in an attempt to stop Joe Biden's victory from being certified. One of the main questions the Colorado court considered was what role Trump played in the events of that day. Similar efforts in 3 other states to remove Trump from the ballot have so far been unsuccessful. However, if the Supreme Court affirms the Colorado ruling, Trump, who is currently the Republican frontrunner, could also face disqualification in other states. A spokesman for the Trump campaign lashed out at the ruling, calling it a left-wing scheme to interfere in the election. Ira Spitzer, reporting in San Francisco for DD India.